visited many factories around China as well, but yours so far is the most organized.
What are your impressions after visiting our factory?
Okay, so we made a trip down today. We flew in from Singapore this morning. And on arrival on your factory, both the main building and the factories are very big. It's very impressive and it's very organized. I visited many factories around China as well, but yours so far is the most organized, very well maintained, and everyone seems to be very, they have their own expertise in what they do. So like welding, everyone knows what they're doing. So I was very impressed with not just the scale but the quality.
So like, how would you describe our factory to others?
I'll say it's very impressive, well organized, very impressive, and it gives me confidence that you can do any project.
Yes. So where does your biggest confidence come from for our future workplace?
I think not just the scale of your factory but also the expertise. So not just you but everyone else I meet today, not just here but also in the factory, everyone knows what they are talking about. So it gives me confidence that you can do anything, any project that can come to fruition.
So thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot.